Well, hello, welcome. Today I have chicken tikka masala with rice, garlic and coriander naan, and a vegetable samosa. I've been craving this, so I'm obviously craving the spices maybe. Most often I do eat the chicken, depending on how good quality it is. I've never had this one before. Do you remember the pie I did? The brand was the M&S sbestever. Well, this is their best ever tikka masala, so excited. Because it's a lot of scoopy, I'm using my ASMR tools, and let's just spread this butter over this naan a bit better. Butter. Right. Smells absolutely divine. These chicken pieces are humongous. That's a lot of butter on there. Okay, let's get started. How is everyone? I am good. Let's mix it up a little bit. Don't normally get rice. But I want to try it as the product intends. I'll get there. Right, let's have a taste. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just been bombarded with, I think, salt, but I'm not sure. I should have got a knife. I didn't realise the pieces were huge. Have a bit of the chicken. Oh yeah, cheers. Absolutely. Real chicken, nothing else. Let's try just that sauce on rice again. Do you know, I think it's very salty. Flavours are amazing, lovely, everything. Tastes very fresh. And the chicken is good. And the after heat is very nice. Very comforting. That's salty, man. Surprisingly salty. And I'm not shy with salt. Right, huge piece of chicken here. And I didn't bring a bloody knife, of course, because I didn't expect it to be so huge. Chicken's very juicy. Look at the size of this piece of chicken. I know it's covered in rice, but that is one giant piece of chicken. No complaints. They really haven't messed with this at all. Now, first of all, let's taste a bit of samosa. I'm all over the place today. Cheers. Pastry. Gorgeous. That's good. So garlic and coriander naan with lashings of butter. Tell you, mother. Well, I want this for the rice, but not the chicken. I can handle it on here much better than I can without. I'm looking very shiny. Delicious. I'm going to be doing a extended water fast soon. I'm aiming for 10 days. Yeah, I did one. My longest one I've done before is 10 days. You know, I really do believe in the power of fasting a lot. Certainly don't want to preach it or anything like that. I'm definitely due, especially after that migraine. The questions can be personal, except for about my life. Personal as in personal to me as a human being. They can be fun. Not about my life, really. I'm very private. And everyone should be online. This is too much on its own. Definitely need the bread. This is so good. But, and even though I can tell everything's very fresh and wonderful with the sauce and the chicken, I think it's too salty to be like a 10 out of 10. I'm going to check the content, the salt content, to see if that is what it is. I don't normally find foods too salty, so I'm wondering how much is actually in here. If it's not that, it's something else. Obviously. Look how good that looks. So we've got 2 more meals to go from this range, and it is fish and chips and mac and cheese. I mean, one massive piece of chicken, that beast. Jeez, did you hear that thud? How much bird is in here? Heaven. Sorry for not talking much. Now I'm going to be out of naan. I debate you'll be able to cook two. Gorgeous. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Probably won't get that again. Chicken here is perfectly fine, but the sauce is, I don't know what's in there. Would it be funny if I looked and the salt content isn't actually higher than another one, or by regular standard, or whatever, and there's something else in there that I want to get to the bottom of. Gorgeous. Thank God. Right, I'm going to focus and see what is it. That kind of repels me a little bit. I don't know. In that naan, absolutely fine. That's actually made my stomach go a bit funny. So one more piece of chicken. It's all nice and charred, you know. I'm done. It got worse with each bite. what a shame. I would have eaten more of this if I'd done those 2 naans, but who knows, you're going to need 2 naans because you can't really eat the food. Excuse me. Yeah, I probably would have had all that there in the other naan. Oh well, you know, you win some, you lose some. But I will look at the ingredients and also the salt content, the sugar content, and let you know. I'll put it up while doing editing. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon with either fish and chips or mac and cheese.